Welcome to the Instructor How-To video series. This video will focus on the assignment folders. When we import your course shell, we already populate the assignments for you, the departmentally required assignments. So you will see the ones that are actually worksheets already in the folders. One thing that you'll notice is there will be icons by each one of the folders. Now this is an example in an on-campus shell. It's only showing the grade item. So this folder is associated to a grade item. The reason that I show you this in an on-campus or hybrid class is that you may want to add your own assignments. In the online classes, we do not change this in any kind of way. We don't add additional assignments. So if you do create a new worksheet or new assignment, make sure that you have an associated grade item, otherwise it won't make that connection for you. So look for that icon. If this were the online class, then you would see an additional icon, and it says that it has release conditions. The on-campus classes do not use release conditions, so that icon will not appear. So here I am in one of my classes from this last semester, and I'm going to go in, and I'm going to act as though I'm going to grade this particular student. So I'm going to go in. It wouldn't say published, it would just say that it was submitted there. But because it's already graded, for my example, it says published. So first of all, I want you to see that if you click on the actual document, you can see the document there. So you can just scroll right through it, and you can read through it, everything that you need to do. Another thing that a lot of people don't realize is right here in this heading information, if you wanted to email this student, let's say they turned in a blank worksheet or they submitted a Pages document that you can't read, you can just click right on there. It'll go right to the classist email. It'll send the email directly to that student. You can say whatever you need right from this assignment. So that's very helpful. If you do use Instant Messenger, then it is something, the classes, Instant Messenger, I should say, then you can get to it there as well. If you don't already hide all of the information about the assignment as you're grading, if you do use this page, you can hide it. So you don't have to see all of that stuff. You already know it. You don't need it there. So you can hide it. Let's just say now, okay, she turned in a blank assignment or a Pages assignment, and you want to give her 2 days to turn it in. Instead of having to go in and follow a million steps under special access, this, that, and the other, you would just click right on here, and for that particular student, you're saying, okay, I'm giving her until this date. Great. And then it would show the date there of it being unique for her. Then with the evaluation, this is where you do the rubric. You just click right on this link, and when you click on it, it will take you to the class rubric or the assignment rubric, and then all you need to do is click on whatever box you're using for that grade. It will automatically total the points for you. You don't have to do anything else, and then all you need to do is put in any of your comments. Now, I put a lot of comments in. I also have a couple of standard messages for each assignment. Just, hey, check out these websites. They might be really helpful overall. Or these are some things that you might need to be aware of, those kinds of things. So however you want to work with it, but you do want to give some good specific feedback for everything. So that's really a very helpful element in terms of grading using your assignment folders. And again, all you're doing is clicking on the folder and then clicking on the actual student's submission status over here, the submission date, and then you would just click that, whichever the message would be here to get to that page. If you did want to create a new assignment, you just click in the Assignments tab, click New Assignment, and then within there, that's where you set up everything that you need for your assignment. You give the name of the folder, if you are going to use the custom instructions like we shared. If you want to then add your worksheet, you just hit Add Attachment, and then if you did want to use a rubric, if you built one, you need to put your points, and then you don't have an existing grade item, it's new, it's different, then you can go right here and create that new grade item. And that's how you'll make sure that you've got that icon next to it and that your folder is actually tied to a grade item. So again, if you are having any questions about how to set up your assignment folders for any new assignments you need or anything else, please make sure you get in touch with the Faculty Innovation Center. The website's listed here. You can get to all of those links that you see below in the colors, and they have wonderful instructional designers that can literally walk you through everything step by step to make sure that you have your class set up properly and that you set up your folders correctly as well.